Jumping now to our map in Georgia, where the Court of Appeals ruled to remove Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis from the 2020 election case against President-elect Donald Trump. This marks a major reversal in the trial judge's decision that allowed her to remain on that case. CBS News reporter Jared Eggleston has all the details.
This is a major blow to the Fulton County District Attorney's Office. Fani Willis being removed from the case by the Georgia Court of Appeals. Now, this removal is a long time coming after Trump and several of his co-defendants alleged that Fani Willis had an improper relationship with a special prosecutor on the case, Nathan Wade. Those allegations earlier this year sent the case into a tailspin, pausing it just months before the election. Ultimately, the judge in the case decided that Fani Willis could stay on the case if the special prosecutor that she was in a relationship with, Nathan Wade, resigned. That he did. But Trump and those co-defendants, they took it further up to the Georgia Court of Appeals, saying that there was an appearance of impropriety and that Fani Willis could no longer try this case. The Georgia Court of Appeals siding with them in an order today, saying that there is this impropriety that exists and that the DA can no longer prosecute the case, not only herself, but her entire office. The case will now go to what's called the Georgia Prosecuting Attorneys Council. There, they will make the decision and assign it to another district attorney in the state of Georgia. But that doesn't necessarily mean that the case will continue. The district attorney that it's assigned to could decide to focus it down. There were several co-defendants in this case. They could decide to dismiss some parts of the indictment. They could also decide that they don't have the resources themselves to continue prosecuting the case and dismiss it all together. This is a major win for the Trump team today, who in recent weeks, his attorneys had even called on Georgia Governor Brian Kemp to dismiss the indictment altogether. The governor has not made any comment on that claim just yet.
Meanwhile, Trump's attorney has responded to this ruling. He said in part, quote, as the court rightfully noted, only the remedy of disqualification will suffice to restore public confidence. This decision puts an end to a politically motivated persecution of the next president of the United States.